Hello everyone, hope you enjoyed my last video about how to upload single data to the Firebase Realtime database and retrieve it back. So today I'm going to talk about how to upload list of data to the database, Firebase, and also get it back to the app. So here is our demo, and here is my Firebase console. So when I click on upload, this data will be uploaded to my Firebase database, and also it's being downloaded back to my app and gets shown into this text view. So before we get started, let me delete the data. Okay. So here is my main layout. It's really simple, just one text view. It's for displaying the text coming from the Firebase database. And the button, upload button, and we give them unique IDs. Okay, let's wire them up. We call it fruit text view. And we set the on-click listener to the upload button. In here, we are going to upload our list data, but first we need the root reference from the Firebase database first. Database reference, Firebase instance, and get reference. And also we create a trial reference called fruit reference. We give a key called fruit. And back to our onClick method, we are going to use the fruit reference to set value. And we are going to set a list of data to the fruit reference, so we need the data first. And you know there are two types of collection data type we are familiar with. One is array, another one is list. So we try the array first. Apple, banana, and peach, and pass it into the set value method. Okay, let's try it. And I believe it's not gonna work. So let's click on upload button, and it crashed. Let's see what happened. So in here it says Firebase database exception. Array is not supported. Please use list instead. Okay, so let's try list. Let's delete the array. But this time I want to add one more fruit. Kiwi. Okay, let's try. This time should work. Okay, let's click on the upload. Yeah, it works. Those data has been uploaded to the Firebase database. So the next step, we want the data back to our app and gets shown into this text view. So we press Ctrl and O and type in on star. We are going to override the on star method. and we use fruit reference to add value event listener to listen for the value change. And inside the onDataChange method, we are going to use for loop, but it's not the regular for loop, it's for each. And be careful, this time the data snapshot, the data coming back from database, Firebase, this time it's a collection of data. It's not single data. So we need to use for loop to retrieve each single value from this collection. So for each element, we call it trial snapshot. And don't forget children, because this time it's a collection of data, not a single data. And we need to use a string builder to build the text. Builder append, we pass in each element, get value, and each element is string. And we also append a single empty space to separate those names. Okay, after the for loop, we set the text to the fruit text view. Set text builder to string. Yeah, that's it. Let's run it. So you see, those data has been downloaded to my app and gets shown into this text view. So let's try, we add one more fruit called what? Watermelon. So when we click on upload, yeah, data has been uploaded to the Firebase database, and also we get it back to our app. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.